Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing both hardware and installer media. First, confirm your PC's specs and free storage. Low space breaks installs. Next, choose the correct OS image and architecture so drivers match your hardware. Once chosen, create a bootable USB using Rufus, Etcher, or DD and pick GPT versus MBR depending on UEFI or legacy BIOS. Make sure secure boot and fast boot settings are noted. They affect whether the installer will boot cleanly. You must boot the PC from the USB and run the installer. Enter BIOS or UEFI, set USB as first boot device, then restart. You'll see the installer menu. Once running, choose custom or guided partitioning and format partitions correctly. NTFS for Windows, X4 for Linux, EFI partition for UEFI systems, because wrong formats block bootloaders. During installation, create your user account, set language and time zone, and connect to the network so updates and drivers. You're almost done. Once files copy and the installer finishes, remove the USB and reboot into your new OS. Then immediately install drivers and run system updates so hardware is stable. If it won't boot, make sure BIOS is set to the correct mode, UEFI versus legacy, and recreate the installer with a different tool or repair the bootloader. Keep the installation media and a recent backup. They are the fastest path to recover if something goes wrong during first boot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.